After this recipe, you will not eat offal any other way. To start our recipe, here I have half a kilo of offal. Friends, offal are the legs, necks, hearts, livers and gizzards of the chicken. Now we are going to cut them into smaller pieces. This is how I'm doing it. Right away I am going to add a bit of oil, and here we will add all the offals that we cut. Now we will season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and I'm going to fry these ingredients for 5 minutes over medium heat. In the meantime, I would like to know from which country or city you are looking at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Vane Radamu, from Australia, and another greeting for Joe Stephen from St. Vincent. Thank you so much for always watching and enjoying our recipes. Here at this point I'm going to remove all the offals from the fire and set it aside for a moment. Then in the same oil, I will also add a finely chopped onion, 3 cloves of grated garlic, and I will fry the ingredients for 3 minutes. Once fried, I will add a cup of rice and I will mix to incorporate everything very well. Then I will add half a chopped red bell pepper, half a chopped green bell pepper, half chopped yellow bell pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and let's fry for 2 minutes. Now, I will add all the offals that we had reserved and mix well to incorporate them. If you have come this far watching this video, it is a sign that you are enjoying our recipe. So write below I love the giblets so I can send you a greeting in the next recipe. Once mixed, I will add 500 milliliters of water in mix to incorporate it. Then I half covered the pan and I'll wait for the rice to dry out of the water. When the rice has dried, I'm going to form a mountain with the rice so that it cooks faster. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on super low heat. And once the 20 minutes have passed, our rice with giblets will be ready. If you want you can add parsley or cilantro to taste. It is a complete delight. We have prepared an easy rice with giblets. I recommend that you make this recipe as it is super cheap and very delicious. In addition, the paws contain a lot of collagen. I hope you make it at home, but I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to see if you liked the result. Thank you so much for watching this recipe through to the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if this is the first time you see one of my recipes, and if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Gustilo's Recipes and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. Greetings to all waiting. May tomorrow's recipe be to your liking. Don't forget to visit the profile of the page every day so you can see our recipes.